Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can edit text in Photopea. Now, as you can see, I am on the text instruction page for Photopea, and here is the instructions on how you can create any type layers, such as point text, paragraph text, or text on a curve. For point text, you just click the tool and click anywhere, and you can start writing there. For paragraph, you just drag it out, or for text on a curve, you just go and shape a layer or vector mask, and then you can start writing on a curve. I have the instructions in another video, so you can very easily check it out. Now, to edit a type layer, there are two things you need to make sure you do. You need to enter the layer and escape the layer. To enter a type layer, you just need to click on it with a type tool. Newly created ones are entered automatically, and after entering it, the environment is locked and you can edit the layer and nothing else. And to do something else, such as edit another type layer, you must escape the layer first, and to escape it, you must confirm or cancel your changes by clicking either the check mark or the X at the top of the page, and then you can exit the layer or escape it and go to another. You can also just click the escape key by canceling changes, or you can cancel changes by clicking escape, and that is a keyboard shortcut. Now, once you just click on it to enter a text layer, you can just continue writing as you would, and that is basically how you edit text. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.